Hey there! Today, I want to talk to you about foods that can help with allergies. I know how tough it can be to deal with allergy symptoms, but there are some foods out there that can make things a little easier for you. First up is honey. Local, raw honey has a small amount of pollen from local plants, which can help your body build up immunity to those allergens. It's a tasty way to potentially reduce your allergy symptoms over time. Another food that might help is ginger. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation caused by allergies. You can try adding fresh ginger to your meals or drinking ginger tea for some extra relief. Quercetin is also worth considering. It's a natural plant pigment found in foods like onions, apples, and citrus fruits. Studies have shown it has antihistamine and anti-inflammatory effects, which can help ease allergy symptoms. Probiotics are also helpful for managing allergies. They're live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. They can help boost your immune system and reduce inflammation, which can help alleviate allergy symptoms. You can get probiotics from foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Last but not least, omega-3 fatty acids can be beneficial for those with allergies. They're found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in flaxseed and walnuts. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce allergy symptoms. Remember, everyone's different, so it's important to talk to your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or treatment plan. 3 example dishes that incorporate allergy-fighting ingredient: kale, orange, and scallion salad. This salad features ingredients rich in quercetin, a natural antihistamine that may help alleviate allergy symptoms. Kale is a great source of quercetin and vitamin C, oranges also contain vitamin C, and scallions are a source of anti-inflammatory sulfur compounds. Together, they make for a delicious and nutritious salad. Fatty fish with roasted carrots. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce allergy symptoms. Roasted carrots are a great side dish that can also provide a boost of vitamin A, which can help support immune function. Ginger chicken stir-fry with broccoli. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation caused by allergies. This stir-fry recipe features fresh ginger, along with chicken and broccoli, both of which are great sources of protein and other important nutrients. Plus, it's a delicious and easy dinner option for busy weeknights. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have your proven ways of dealing with allergy symptoms, share them in the comment section. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when we upload new content. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great videos in the future.